Yes.
Were you happy?
Yes, I was happy.
Nyani? Oh, baby. And your mom? Were you happy that your whole family is here?
Yes.
Ne?
Yes, I did see him, and then I said, I want to say thanks for the surprise.
Oh, baby! Oh, come hug Auntie Snaz.
Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi celebrity stories namhlanje guys sikhuluma ke ngompumelelo Mseleko kanye ke noVuyo guys. Well guys, abantu abaningi ke bajabule kakhulu kade kuyi birthday kaMhlophekazi ifirstborn kaMpumelelo Mseleko. Niyazi guys ukuthi ke izinto ayizange ziziphele kahle ke phakathi ke kaMpumelelo kanye ke noVuyokazi, and lokho kwenza ukuthi ke i-relationship kaMpumelelo kanye nezingane ingabe saba yinhleke, futhi nje it was public ukuthi ke uMpumelelo is not in Mhlophekazi and Nzulu's life. And but ke guys, abantu bajabulile kumbona uMpumelelo in pictures evela ukuthi cha, he was part of ke u6-year birthday kaMhlophekazi. And ke guys, nakho ke okushiwo ke abantu la ezinkundleni zokuxhumana. Omunye ke uthe wow, nice one, seeing Mpumelelo spending time with his kids. Love it when adults put their differences aside for the children. No, this is beautiful. Happy birthday Mhlophekazi. Smiling non-stop, seeing Daddy Wabantu naye bakithi being part of his princess birthday, man. Well done Vuyo Sisi for including him. Happy birthday Princess Mhlophekazi, firstborn kaMpumelelo bakithi. Wathi omunye ke siyabonga baba wezingane ukuba khona. I'm happy to see uMpumelelo with uMhlophekazi and Nzulu. Ndazi ndayi proud aunt Lion ukhulile dodo. Okay guys, so yeah, iyona into ejabulisa abantu kakhulu. Amanye ngizothi ke ngizolala kahle kakhulu ke namhlanje bese ngibone nje uMpumelelo ke ebuyele empilweni yezingane zakhe, not empilweni ke kaVuyokazi, but ke esempilweni ke yezingane zakhe, because izingane ziyabadinga abazali bobabili irrespective ukuthi ke nina nixabene noma nizwene, but abantwana bayadinga ukuthi abazali babo bobabili babe khona ezimpilweni zabo, especially uMhlophekazi guys uhlale kakhulu ke kaMseleko, uyayasho noma yena ukuthi ukhuliswa uyena. So kwathi mangabe sebexabana ke uVuyokazi wathatha ke ingane zakhe wahamba wayohlala nazo le ekhaya kubo ke kwawukuthi ke i-relationship between uMpumelelo nezingane ayikho kahle. Even ke uTirelo nawo nokusho ukuthi uMpumelelo, as much as uMpumelelo aziwa celebrity, but when it come to ama responsibility kuye as ubaba ayicha akakhoni kahle. So ezinye zezinto ezenza ke uVuyokazi ukuthi avela mkhathe ke at that time, but ke ngicanga ukuthi ke bayalungisa ke izinto for the sake of abantwana. Well guys, uVuyokazi ke izinto ke zimhambela kahle bakithi. She recently bought a house, so nje siyambongela kakhulu, and once again happy birthday to the little princess uMhlophekazi, intombazane enhle. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.